Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a video into our PowerPoint presentation, right? And then add a border around the video, add also shape, and run a slideshow to see exactly how the video will look. So the first thing you want to do is to come up here, the tab, insert, and click. Then we're going to go all the way to our right on the media. We're going to click, look a pointer, right? If you notice that this device, stock video online. So we're going to go on the desktop, which is this device. When I click it here, immediately I see some video right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select one of these videos. I'm going to come all the way down. Here's a cancel, and here's the insert. I'm going to click on insert, and there you go. And this is how it actually add to the presentation. So I can come right at this head here. I can actually size it in like that. I can actually shift it just like that. And if I come up here, it's a video format here. Right, if you notice, I can actually put the cursor on these and it actually change here. I can actually come right at this little point here and click. I can actually put the video in shapes and all of that. Shapes in different style, just like that here. Put it in different shapes. Notice actually in different type of shape here. Right, so put it in that shape. Right, so you can actually select this. Now it's in this particular shape. So what we want to add border to it. So we're going to come right up here. There's a video border. So we're going to click right here. There's a video border here. And then we're going to come down. And we're going to look at weight right here. Alright, so we're going to put this weight right here. And then we're going to go right back again. And then we're going to put dashes. And you're going to see exactly how it look. Alright. So this is exactly how it actually look. Alright. So next thing you wanted to add. I already add the shape to it already and all of that. So the next thing that you want to do is to run a slideshow. You can come right here and click and run a slideshow just like that. Alright, just press the escape key if you come back out of the slideshow. Alright, you can also come all the way here to slideshow. You can click here from the beginning just like that. Just the same. Alright, just press escape key again. Go right back to the slideshow. I can click from current slide just like that. Press the escape key, and also you can come all the way down at the bottom here where it says slideshow and click just like that. But now we have the video. But how can the video play? So if you notice when I put the cursor upon it, you notice it shows this section here where video can play. So if I click right here, notice. Alright. I can come right here and stop, click it again. And that's how the video is here, and we can actually click escape to stop that video. So I hope you have learned something from this.